Hey guys, good morning. I'm not like a morning person like that to be honest. But yeah, how are you guys doing? I want to shower now, so yeah. It's always so cold here. It's crazy. I can't find my bonnet, so I'm just gonna wear this. To be honest. So guys, I've not been on YouTube for quite a while. And I know you guys missed me, to be honest. I know. You don't have to tell me. But I know. Regardless. I've not been active for 2 years. When I checked it, I was like, wait, 2 years already. That went so fast. Yeah. But now I'm active. So please watch my video, share, subscribe, everything you want to do. I'm coming on. Imagine waking up to this view. Like, won't you be happy? So anyways guys, I'm going to the gym. I'm on a call with my mom. Mommy, say hi.
Hi, hello guys.
I can't take it. So guys, what
If you see what I used to tie my hair, see, she'll be drunk.
So guys, I'm trying to get ready for the gym. So guys, I'm trying to look for what to wear to the gym. I don't know. We're not really like doing anything serious. We're just going for like boxing classes. I want to learn how to fight like that. I don't know why this pimple on my face is pissing me off. So this is my outfit. So I don't know if I should wear this outfit, to be honest, because I don't have anything to wear to the gym right now. I didn't really think about going to the gym here, to be honest. Let's be truthful. But yeah, this is my outfit. Very demure, very cutesy. Yes, so I was thinking of, because it's really cold here, I don't know if I should just add this to it. This is which type of color riot. Who is this one behind me? So guys, we're going to the gym now. This is one. Let me show you guys what I'm drinking. I always drink this like every morning. It's very good. It's very good for your skin. It's very good, yeah.
Can I open this thing?
Yeah, it's just like that first in the film.
Yeah.
And I was like, ugh.
But I did it. I made it, guys.
It makes it different. Proud of you.
Thank you, thank you. Let's be. So guys, Chelsea is cooking for us with her Versace. Idiot! Wow, this looks good. So you're not eating, Abby?
Who? Hey, oh my God, go funny person. Ah!
Show me what I need. Show me what I need. Yeah.
How come we have more onions than me?
I think the last part. I don't understand you.
I really like onions.
She's a bully, guys.
Nice.
Yes. It's nice.
Nice one. Just you. I just had to chew small. Top noodles.
Top noodles. Thank you. So kind of you. Cheers, guys. She's not normally this nice.
Yes. Very good. Drink away.
I see.
Transfer to your phone now.
I've transferred, like I deleted. It's only 42.
Receipt.
Not really. When did that die?
You already ate, so we put art in
Yes. You want to taste? Taste from my own. You know me, I'm a fast eater. Taste hers though.
Man, I didn't know you like noodles.
I just wanna see if
It's
it's
healthy.
spicy. And if it's
She knows it's to taste. She's like my auntie. They're supposed to be tasting. It's not spicy. It's spicy.
Spicy. Do you know I wanted to sneak in this one? Thank God I did not see.
You still want to sneak in pepper after I warned you.
And I'm like, it's small, bro.
That's how it is. Is that your best thing? Best thing. We're about to leave. I've rested. I've done all of that. So we're about to go to the gym now. So basically we're doing like another activity after the gym. I'm gonna come home, change. No, I don't have the key.
Oh!
You can just walk. I'm not showing your face. This point I was already tired. Like I was so confused. I was like, is this how hard boxing can be? I was like, okay, let's get it. But anyways, I learned a lot, to be honest, and I feel like I'm going to go back for more and more and more and more, so I can learn how to beat any stupidest sorry, my bad. I'm going to learn how to beat people up, because you can't try me and go scot-free. Guys, we're done at the gym now. I'm going back home.
Yeah, you too.
I need to pull most of my hair. It's a bit rough. But yeah, my skin is still glowing.
Just spend the day with me.
Yes,
You should go out.
I'm going
Go
to
to like
penguin thing today.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, I'm so ready. I'm going to see the penguins at the beach. Yeah, so get ready with me. So this is the outfit I picked. This skirt, this, and this. So I'm getting ready. I'm almost done. But yeah. I'm just doing like the last bit. I want to put oil on my body, then my lip gloss, then I'm ready.
It was the same charge. And Taylor did not assault Monique. The two cases cancel each other out, and your quest attorney, like he told you, to countersuit.
So these I want to cook for you guys.
He said, we're going to sue you for millions and rob you. I'm telling you what conversation
We're running late.
my
It was
attorney
almost-
had with her attorney. Your
Look at your
attorney
legs.
goes from feeling, is she going to let me talk about a liar? Her attorney is a joke.
Let her finish.
My attorney is the top attorney in DC for criminal defense.
Bill Barr. Ashley, you wrote a legal statement.
I saw it for myself. You know, it's heated, for sure.
Candace, in Portugal, you told Ashley that Monique is playing her.
I'm really
and she and her
hungry,
husband
so
talked badly about her.
She is tough.
I think I'm gonna get a snack.
What did you mean by that?
I mean, there was an evening where they were talking crap about
I don't know what to eat.
Candace, you told Ashley that Monique is playing her and that she and her husband talked badly about her. What did you mean by that?
I mean, there was an evening where they were talking crap about the Darby. Oh my God.
Ashley, do you believe it?
No.
Smoothie out. It's not nice.
I'm doing it for the health.
Say hi.
You see yourself.
It's just like the smell, but it's like it tastes so good. That's one thing I'm gonna miss from here.
I'll think about it too. So guys, this is a 40 minutes drive to where we're going. It's not that long, don't worry. We'll get there soon in like about 30 minutes. Yeah.
It's for your vlog.
It will not work.
Like, you'll give me your camera. Like, do it for me. I'm such a beach town girl. Anywhere near the beach, but I feel like South Africa's too cold.
Yes, assuming it was not cold, I would have loved it.
Live by the beach,
I would
but
swim every day.
That's what I grew up. And then when I started, I would travel to Miami, and I can like start my morning at 6 a.m. Miami time. And by the time that's noon, then I start working. You're so with that.
Yes.
There's a lot of cute coffee shops.
It's so cute. Oh, see, welcome to Poland. To the penguin. Is this a rat?
I think it's part of the family.
What's the name of this thing? So guys, we're walking back from the beach. We're done now. We're going back to the car. I had a nice time. Oh, it's cold. It's getting cold. But yeah.
No, that's the same one.
How are you?
He's ready to bite somebody. Yeah, yeah.
Graham. So pretty. So we're done now and we're going back home. We need to stop by to get food because we're hungry. But yeah, I had a nice time.